How could this happen? After a years-long battle in courts and county services, 4-year-old Avery Hobbs was put back in the care of her mother, someone who had already been convicted of putting her life in danger and now facing charges for killing her. There are so many questions tonight about how this could have happened and if there was a failure within the system. 9 on your side's John Genovese has been digging through court records all night. He joins us now live with how this tragic case was carried out. John?
Well, this stack of documents give us something of a timeline tonight. 4-year-old Avery is dead. Her mother charged with murder. Jobs and Family Services wanted to put Avery in the care of her grandmother, but instead a magistrate and juvenile judge agreed with a child advocate to put this little girl back with her mom. This isn't the first time Britney Roll has been on the defense over her daughter. 5 years ago, she was convicted of child endangerment, serving 6 months in prison. 5 years later, she was again taking care of 4-year-old Avery Hobbs, who would be found unresponsive in a bathtub and died, the county coroner says, due to blunt force blows to the head.
We fought as hard as we could to keep her safe.
In 2011, little Avery was placed with paternal grandmother Tammy Risen and her husband Jonathan when Britney Roll was first behind bars.
It's such a shame that a little girl like her couldn't grow up to be a beautiful woman.
After serving her sentence, records show Roll immediately started classes and filed paperwork in hopes of getting her daughter back. All that time, Avery was with the Risens. They, her paternal grandfather and maternal grandparents, continued fighting for custody. But 2 years ago, Magistrate Paul DeMott made his decision, siding with court advocate Julie Pedersen that once a parent completes the required process, it is generally best for a child to be raised by a parent. JFS disagreed and asked the court to award Avery to the Risens.
I don't understand our laws. I don't understand our systems.
After months of appeals, Judge John Williams accepted the magistrate's decision. A year ago, Avery was back with her mother, and a year later, family members tell me there is now another fight over her remains.
This could have been stopped. This could have been prevented if people would have listened.
Now, Roll is being held on $2 million bond, and today we learned she is 7 months pregnant. We did reach out to court officials for more information on this case, and we are still waiting to hear back. For now, reporting live, John Genovese, 9 on your side.
Thank you, John.